Alright, so the last shrine for the day is Awashima Shrine, which is in the it's the city of Mojiko, or Moji. Again, quite windy, a little cold, so I'm sure the video is pretty crappy. Plus my gimbal started acting up, so I'm bouncing up and down coming up this little hill. And this should be our last one before we head on back to Iwakuni. This is the other entrance from the other side. Pretty neat. Not quite sure what that is. Is that someone's house or... No, it's part of the shrine, I guess, but a little bit different. It's little statues for offerings. We can put money in those baskets. Yeah, that's a little neat, little bit off to the side. There looks like someone actually lives in that house right there. Probably the people that tend to the shrine. And all the typical tories come up to the shrine here and pray. Usually people donate these toadies. Oh, this is nicely painted bright red. Fox is decorated this time of the year.